If you are about to book a family mediator, you might be wondering what makes them someone that you can trust with these important decisions. So, how are they trained and who regulates their work? So, that would be the Family Mediation Council, or the FMC. They are the official regulatory body for family mediators in the whole of England and Wales. So basically, they are the institution that makes sure that mediators are properly trained and qualified and that they are held to professional standards. So why does that matter? Okay, why does it matter for you? It matters because only FMC registered mediators are recognized by the Ministry of Justice. That means if you need to attend a MIAM before you go to court, it has to be with an FMC registered mediator. Otherwise, the court will not accept it. And this catches people out more than you think. So it's important to check those qualifications. We have different levels of mediator accreditation. You have your FMCA. So this is your gold standard qualification for a family mediator. To get that, they have to have completed approved training. They have to have built a portfolio of evidence. They have to be observed in practice, and then they have to pass an independent assessment, and then they will obtain their FMC accreditation. They have to renew that qualification every 3 years as well, so it's not just a one and done situation. Okay, then you have your WTA, which are mediators working towards accreditation. They have already completed their specialist training, which qualifies them to mediate. The only difference is that they are building their experience as part of that process. Either way, you are in good hands. You are with an experienced, capable mediator, as long as they are FMC registered and that they fall within those FMC standards. Okay, at Mediate UK, all our mediators are FMC registered. You can meet our team on our mediators page on the website. If you need to book a MIAM for a court application, you can also do that directly online with us. Or if you want to find out more, you can book a free consultation with our case management team. All the links are in the description below. I hope that's useful, and please reach out if you want to know more.